Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout. This is a layout again that I got completed I completed at a crop that I went to at the end of October. I got 22 layouts done in 2 days because I wasn't able to get there on Friday. I was only able to get there Saturday morning. I got there around 8 o'clock in the morning and started scrapping around 9:30 in the morning and left by 2 o'clock on Sunday. So I got 22 layouts done in just a little bit over 24 hours. So I was pretty impressed with the amount that I got done. And I'm still going through those layouts and putting them on YouTube as some layouts, that I completed. So this is a picture of my friend's little puppy. His name is Tyson. And this summer when we were camping right next to them, or in the same campground, when she went to work, she had brought me the little puppy to babysit all day or dog sit all day, and we had a blast. He was such a good puppy. He's like 12 years old, 13 years old, so he's not really a puppy, but he's a teacup little dog. And he just laid around and he just stayed right next to me, and I took him for some walks. We had a nap together. It was an awesome day. So I put together, before I went to this crop, I put together 26 page kits, and then I grabbed 4 that were just sitting in my craft room. So I was kind of glad. If I would have had that extra night on Friday night, I probably would have been really close to getting all the pages done. But I was really happy with the amount that I got done. So I decided to use that light blue pattern paper as the background. I matted my photo with a light or a darker blue cardstock, and then I put one of our grid papers right underneath it. I just cut it down just so, because I knew I wasn't going to, have to do that much journaling, but I wanted to do some journaling. And now I'm cutting some of our digital files, and these are arrows with words on them. They come in white text and black text, and right now we have over 1,000 files on our website, in our shop. And this is Black Friday time, I guess, and our sale was going to end today, but then I keep forgetting that there's this thing called Cyber Monday. I don't live in the States, so Black Friday was just sort of a thing for us in the last few years. And so I totally forgot there was this thing about Cyber Monday. Plus, I didn't really advertise it that much. So just to let you know, our Black Friday sale, which is 50% off all our digital prints and my classes, are on, and we're going to keep it at 50% for just a couple more days. And then things won't be, we probably won't have a sale again till next Black Friday. So the link is in the description box below, or just go to NicoleJones91.com and you'll find once you go into shop, there is embellishments, and then there's classes. And then when you go on embellishments, we have it divided into, you can either get bundles or you can get individual files. Like I said, these are digital files, so you can print them at home on your printer, or you can have them sent off to your print shop, or have someone else print them for you. I print them on cardstock, and then once I run low, all I have to do is just print it again, in which I really love. Here's some of the shapes that we have in our shop. So of course we have the viewfinders. We have the viewfinders in several different sizes. We have the 2-inch, the 1.5 inch, the 1 inch, and then we also have, with the regular circle in the center of the viewfinder or the heart, we have arrows, we have cameras, we have circles, we have coffee cups. That's a new thing. This week there's going to be holly. That's the new Christmas thing. We have peppermint. So that's great for your December daily. Scrapping because the peppermints, we have the numbered ones, so it has from 1 to 31, and it has the white font and also the black text. So if you're interested, that'll be in the description box below, or go to NicoleJones91.com. And again, that's just going to last for a couple more days. Now let's get back to this layout. The photo was a 4x4. I matted it so that it was probably 4x6. And then I just have like an inch and a half of the grid, and that the grid is also one of our digital files. And then you can cut it in whatever shape you want. And that's where I'm going to do my journaling. I had a sticker that I put just in between the photo and my journaling card. I'm going to end up putting a little sneaker on there because we had gone for walks. Again, whatever embellishments that you have, you can always find a reason to put it on your layout. Now, this weekend we had a blast. It was my virtual crop. It lasted all weekend. Yes, even with my broken arm, I managed to get a virtual crop in. The only difference was that I did 5 sessions of 2 hours, and I was able to complete 2 pages per hour. So that was a whole bunch of fun and a story for another day, as they say. Now, I grabbed some of our letter stickers, or tiny letters. Those are also on sale, and they're awesome. You can either print them. We have it in 2 forms. We have the A4 and the 8.5 by 11. You can print them on sticker paper, and then once you cut them out, they're already on sticker sheet. Or if I print them on regular cardstock, I use some double-sided tape, such as score tape, and put them into strips. So when you cut them apart, they're already sticky. And my title is just going to be Tyson, and then the year 2020. So this ended up being a whole lot of fun. I did 3 embellishment clusters, one right at the bottom left of the layout, one right around the journaling card and the photo, and then one to the top right of that pattern paper cluster. And that's it. That's going to complete this layout. And again, don't forget, Black Friday sale on right now. It's going to end in 2 days. I want to thank you so much for all your support. I so truly appreciate it to the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.